Comedian Ricky Gervais earned £125,000 per week last year, totaling nearly £6.5 million. He humorously responded to Hugh Jackman's pool selfie by posting an unflattering bathtub photo of himself, captioned Twinsies, which went viral. The owner of the iconic Breaking Bad house in Albuquerque is selling it for $4 million after enduring years of fans throwing pizzas on the roof, mimicking a scene from the show. Despite installing barriers, the disturbances continued, leading to the decision to sell. Recent anomalies include MicroStrategy's share price, implying a value for its Bitcoin holdings at more than double the market price, and the Destiny Tech 100 fund trading at 11 times its net asset value due to its ownership of shares in companies like SpaceX.